Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Now that we have our site up and running, it's time to start making it our own. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to modify and perfect the header for the Printec theme, ensuring your branding looks great on every device. Let's get started. First, we need to log in to our admin dashboard using the username and password we created during the WordPress installation. Once we are inside the dashboard, we're going to head over and visit the live website again. You'll notice that since we are logged in as an admin, a new toolbar has appeared at the top of the page. This bar contains specific tools that only we can see to help us modify and control the site. From the top admin bar, hover over Edit with Elementor. You'll see a drop-down list appear. Since we are working on the top of our site, select the header listed there. In our case, it's Header 3. Once the editor loads, you might see some pop-up windows or extra information panels. We don't need those right now, so go ahead and close them to clear your workspace. Now, we have the header ready to be modified directly within the Elementor interface. The first element we're going to change is the logo. Simply click on the logo in the preview, and you'll notice the settings panel on the left updates to show the logo options. In that left-hand panel, click on the logo image and select Choose Image. The media library will pop up. Upload your custom logo file here. And once the upload is finished, click to select it for your site. As you can see, the theme is now using our new logo, and it's already updated in the live preview. Don't forget to check the different screen views, such as mobile and tablet. Most professional themes use different layouts and blocks for different devices, so you'll need to ensure your changes are applied across all of them. As you can see here, when I switch the view, the logo hasn't updated for the mobile and tablet versions yet. This is a common step that people miss, so let's get that fixed right now. Since you've already uploaded your logo to the media library, you can simply select it again from your gallery. Alternatively, if your logo is very detailed, you might choose to upload a simplified, smaller version, specifically for the mobile view to keep things clean. Next, I'm going to update the contact email. Just click directly on the email text and then move over to the left-hand panel to enter your own address, just as I'm doing here. You also have the option to change the icon next to the email, but I personally think this one fits the design perfectly, so I'm going to keep it as it is. We will follow the exact same process for the phone number. Click, Edit on the left, and Update. You can continue this same workflow for all the other elements you see in the header section. This is your chance to be creative with your content. Always keep your target audience in mind and think about the specific message or brand feeling you want to deliver to your customers the moment they land on your site. Keep an eye out for elements that include links or URLs. You'll want to make sure those are pointing to your own social media pages or contact forms, rather than the default demo links. Looking at this specific section here, I actually think the default layout works well for my needs, so I'm going to leave this part unchanged for now. Now, let's look at these icons on the opposite side. You have total control over whether these are visible or not. By using this toggle switch in the settings panel, you can easily turn them on or off. Notice how when I click the toggle to off, the icon disappears instantly from the header preview. When I click it back to on, it reappears exactly where it was. This gives you the flexibility to clean up your header and only show the icons that are actually useful for your specific website. Now that we've gone through the elements, take a final look at the layout to make sure everything is aligned and looking professional. If you are happy with the results, go ahead and click the Publish or Update button at the bottom of the panel. Once that's saved, you can head back to your live website and refresh the page to see your modifications in action. It's a great feeling to see your own branding finally taking over the site. A very important final step. Don't just look at it on your computer. Make sure you open your website on a physical phone or tablet, or use the browser inspector to check every screen view. You want to be 100% sure that your logo and contact details look perfect for every single visitor, no matter what device they are using. In the next video, we're moving on to the homepage layouts to start shaping the rest of the site. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button to follow along. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.